Okay, we are going to learn to use Packet Tracer. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a logical network diagram using two PCs and a hub. So here's PC1, here's PC2, and here is a hub. Now we're going to go with a straight through connector from PCO, and we're going to connect to port 0. Then we're going to grab another one. We're going to go from PC1. We're going to connect to port 1. Now that we have that done, we will go to the next step, and we are going to configure the IP address. So the first thing we're going to do in step 2 is we're going to click on PC0, and that will bring up the PC physical devices view. We're going to click on the config button. Here we will change this from 0 to -A. We're going to go to the fast Ethernet. We're going to give this an IP address of 192.168.1.1. We're going to click here so that it will get its subnet mask address. Now we're going to go to the second one. We're going to do the same steps, only we're going to change this from 1. We will go -B, and for the IP address we'll go 192.168.1.2, so we have two separate addresses. Subnet mask will be the same, and we are now ready to go to step 3. So in step 3 we're going to observe the flow, so we're going to go the data from A to B. We will go to from the real time to the simulation. We are going to click on edit filters, which is right here, and that will bring up these here. We are going to clear them all. We're going to click on ARP and ICMP, and we have that done. Now we're going to grab a simple, make sure we don't have anything else here. Okay, we've got that. We're going to grab a PDU pack. We're going to click it to PCA. Then we're going to pick B so that it gives it an option of where to go to. Notice we have two envelopes, an ICMP and an ARP. So now we're going to go to the auto capture play in the play controls, which is down here. So we will hit auto capture play, and what this does is that allows the envelopes to go from the hub to the other computer and back. This little device here controls the speed in which the envelopes move. See, it went quite a bit faster. Now it's going slower again, and now we're going back to normal speed. You'll notice the one envelope is done moving. Now the pink one is going, so when that gets to the deal, we're going to choose to reset the simulation, which should be any time now. There we go. Wait for that one to finish up. So we will hit the reset simulation button, and you notice that the ICMP is the only thing left. So now we will do what is known as the capture forward move. That is one click, one movement. It will not move again until we click the button again. So we will continue that until we get it back to where it belongs. And now it's back to A. And so now what we're going to do is the power cycle devices, and that will bring up an reset box, which we see here. We click that resets everything, and you notice we have a bunch of things here. So now we're going to go to both the ICPM and the envelopes are present again, which they are. Both of them are present. The time button will clear any configuration changes not saved and will clear the dynamic, such as the ARP and the MAC tables. So now we have to choose the auto capture play so that we can repopulate the ARP tables. So here's the auto capture play. You notice the envelopes are coming in from both directions, and now they're burning up, and now they're going back to the other computers, and pretty quick they will be done moving. So we've got to wait for this one to do its little job. It'll come over, and you notice it's just the ARP one is all that's there now. It will run back and stop. Now when it does, then we need to gotta wait for the pink one to do its thing. Then once it does, we can click on the actual computer, and it'll give us a table to show that it has been connected. Get a green check mark here. Yep, there that is. So now we see here we have this. Which is just tells us nothing. So back to here, we need to select tools. We need to collect here. Let's see, click the PCA, the ARP will appear. Oh, we need to select the magnifying glass. That's the step I was forgetting. Magnifying glass, we have the ARP table. Yep, we sure do. We have the ARP table. Yep, we sure do. So we close both of those. Now we collect the select tools, which is the vertical right bar, the first icon. We've collected that. Now we need to click on PCA, which is this one. And then we go to desktop. We go to command prompt. We type in ARP space dash A, hit enter, and yep, there we go. It shows that. We will close that now, and we will click on the other computer. Go to desktop, command. We type in ARP dash A, enter. Yep, we have it there also. Now we can go down and we can hit the check results, and it should tell us congratulations. Yes, it does. We've completed that assignment. So now we will shut this one down and we will move on to the next. Hope you can get some help out of this.